They have to arrange a home base and take care of the family members. Women have been given footwear on their bodies and not to display the feminine charm to outsiders. Dear listeners, the second decade Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala says about the real liberty of women. In the pre-Islamic period, we did not give any right to women until Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The executive revealed the necessary commandments for them and fixed appropriate steps for them. As a matter of fact, Islam is the only religion that the God takes and seriously taken the cause of women. The real liberty of women is only in religion Islam. It has raised the position of women fair and defined relation between a man and a woman in clear and unmistakable terms. In the Holy Quran, there is a chapter known as Nisa, meaning women, which largely deals with women.